Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to discuss real analysis MCQs topic Euclidean space. Number 1. Let xy belongs to the Rn and x is equal to x1, x2 and so on xn and y is equal to y1, y2 and so on yn. Then x is equal to y if and only if a x1 is equal to y1, x2 is equal to y2 up to so on xn is equal to yn. B x1 is equal to y1, x is equal to x2 equals to y1 equals to so on equals to xn. C x1 is equal to x2 equals to so on xn and y1 equals to y2 and so on equals to yn. D none of these. Correct option is A. Number 2. Let xy belongs to Rn and x is equals to x1, x2 and so on xn and y equals to y1, y2 and so on yn. Then x plus y if and only if A x1 plus x2 plus so on xn, y1 plus y2 plus so on yn. B x1 plus y1, x2 plus y2 so on xn plus yn. C x1 plus y1 comma x2 plus y2 comma so on xn plus yn. D none of these. Correct option is B. Number 3. Unit vector ek in Rn is the vector A whose all components are 0, B whose kth component is 0 and remaining components are 1, C whose kth component is 1 and remaining components are 0, D whose all components are 1. Correct option is C. Number 4. Let A belongs to Rn and let R greater than 0 be a positive number. Then open balls with center A is A. B of A equals to x such that norm of x minus A is greater than R. B. B of A equals to x such that norm of x minus A equals to R. C. B of A equals to x such that norm of x minus A less than R. D. None of these. Correct option is C. Number 5. Let S contains in Rn and A belongs to S, then A is an interior point of S if A. There is an open ball B of A with center at A, all of whose points belongs to S. B. There is an open ball B of A with center at A, sum of whose points belongs to S. C. There is an open ball B of A with center at A, none of whose points belongs to S. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Number 6. Interior of S. A. A set of all interior points of S. B. A set of some interior points of S. C. A set of no interior points of S. D. None of these. Correct option is A. A set of all interior points of S. Number 7. Neighborhood of A is A. Set containing an open ball B of A with center A. B. Set containing no point B of A with center A. C. Set containing a closed ball with center A. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Set containing an open ball B of A with center A. Number 8. A set contained in Rn is open if A. All its points are interior points. B. Some of its points are interior points. C. None of its points are interior points. D. None of these. Correct option is A. All its points are interior points. Number 9. Let x belongs to the Rn and x equals to x1, x2 and so on xn and A belongs to the R, then A. Ax is equal to A over x1, comma A over x2 and so on A over xn. B. Ax equals to A plus x1, comma A plus x2 and so on A plus xn. C. Ax equals to ax1, comma ax2 and so on axn. D. None of these. Correct option is C. Let xy belongs to Rn and x equals to x1, x2 and so on xn and y equals to y1, y2 and so on yn, then x minus y is A. x1 minus y1, comma x2 minus y2, comma so on xn minus yn. B. x1 minus x2 minus so on xn, comma y1 minus y2 so on yn. C. x1 minus y1, comma x2 minus y2, comma x3 minus y3 and so on xn minus yn. D. None of these. Correct option is A. x1 minus y1, comma x2 minus y2 up to so on xn minus yn. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more related MCQs.